Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will be doing the merit part and the distinction part of learning outcome number 2. LO2 says understand how information and knowledge are shared and used in the workplace and why they are important. Justify the importance of information and knowledge to the effective operation of quality systems in organization. So first the command verb says justify. You're going to give the justifications, whatever explanation you're going to use, and the points you have to justify them with the help of research theory, from thesis, from the articles. The effective operation of quality systems in organization is intricately linked to the availability and utilization of accurate, timely, and relevant information and knowledge. Obviously, when we are going to make our priority quality in the systems, we are going to take things into accordance that how everything is managed in the organization, and we want to deliver the information and knowledge both at the same time. It is a justification for the importance of information and knowledge in the context of quality systems. Basis for the decision making, and one more thing, all the points are same as in the indicative content. Quality system involve numerous decision points from setting standards to addressing deviations. Access to comprehensive information and knowledge enables decision makers to assess situations, identify root causes of issues, and make informed choices that align with the quality objective. When we make the objectives of the organizational goals, we also make the standards and objectives of the quality as well. That is why there is a position in the organization of quality manager, quality assurance check as well. There are problems in the organization. We have to solve them according to whatever the condition is. Continuous improvement. Quality systems aim for the continuous improvement, regular analysis of the data and insights derived from the knowledge ensures that organizations can identify areas for enhancement and refine processes, maintaining a commitment to the ongoing quality enhancement. Again, if we want to take the quality system prior into the organization, we have to make sure that we have to maintain that standard for a longer period of time. If it needs changes and amendments, we should do that. Compliance management. Quality systems often involve adherence to industry standards and regulatory requirements. Accurate information and knowledge about the compliance standards are crucial to designing, implementing, maintaining systems that meet legal and regulatory obligations. Again, the same thing. Whatever the standards you have set for your organization, for your corporate organization, you have to take and make that according to the industry norms and values as well. It shouldn't be different or shouldn't be deviating from it, from the market, from the industry. Risk management. Understanding and mitigating the risk to qualify to quality are fundamental to effective quality management. Comprehensive knowledge about potential risk combined with timely information and on the emerging issues enables proactive risk management and minimizes the impact of unforeseen challenges as well. If we are going to take the steps beforehand, then what will happen? We can mitigate the risk beforehand. Performance monitoring measurement. Quality systems rely on the robust metrics and key performance indicators, that is the KPI, to monitor the performance. In the same courses, just as we discussed the KPIs and many indicators, they indicate that we are going to take the actions according to the goals of the management of the organization. And then we have customer satisfaction. When we want to make the quality as the standard of our organization of the corporate sector for a longer period of time, plus for the goodwill of the organization, we have to take the considerations of the customer satisfaction as well. We can get that through the surveys and the feedback as well. In summary, the information and knowledge form the backbone of the effective quality system. From decision making to the continuous improvement and compliance management, organizations rely on a wealth of information to ensure that their quality systems operate optimally, thus delivering the consistent and reliable outcomes. Here is the real life example. One exemplary illustration of the importance of the information and knowledge to the quality system in an organization is evident in the practices of the Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota has built a renowned quality management system, exemplified by the Toyota Production System (TPS). The success of the TPS is deeply rooted in the continuous flow of information and knowledge throughout the organization. Toyota places a significant emphasis on employee involvement and empowerment, fostering a culture of the Frontline workers, where they actively contribute to insights and solutions based on their knowledge and experience. That is, they do have the say in the organization. Then, this collaborative approach, supported by the robust information system and training programs, allows Toyota to proactively identify the quality issues, implement corrective actions promptly, and continuously improve their manufacturing processes as well. The emphasis on the information and the knowledge exchange has been instrumental in Toyota's reputation for for producing high quality vehicles and maintaining a leadership position in the automotive industry. And you all must be familiar with the Toyota brand, and they have a renowned position in the market in the automobile industry as well. So this was the example for the merit part for the LO2. Now we will be moving towards the last part, that is the distinction one. And in the next class, hopefully I'll be doing the assignment class for task number 2. Assess the value of knowledge and information in terms of competitive advantage to an organization. The first thing here is the command verb assess. That is, we're going to give and demonstrate a detailed explanation of the terms and the question asked from you people. Again, the knowledge and information value in terms of that is compatible to the competitive advantage, that is being unique, being intrinsic in the market. The value of the knowledge and information to an organization is immense, especially when considering its impact on gaining the competitive advantage. Now, here is an assessment of the value. The first point is the effective decision making. Knowledge and information form the bedrock for effective decision making in a competitive business environment. Organizations need to make quick and informed decisions. Access to high quality information enables their leaders to assess the situations accurately, identify the opportunities, and respond swiftly to the challenges, contributing to a competitive edge. Definitely, when we are going to take the opportunities, we are forsaking some other things, some other projects as well. That is known as the opportunity cost. In this case, we have to make the effective and the foremost decision making. And it can only be done by group, by leaders, by team members. Innovation and adaptability. This means your research and development department should be way too keen and updated. Knowledge is catalyst for the innovation. Organizations that actively gather, share, and apply the knowledge are better positioned to innovate in products, services, and processes. The ability to adapt to changing market dynamics and technological advancements provides a distinct competitive advantage. I think 2 days before there was an accident of human intelligence with an AI intelligence of the Tesla, I believe, where the robot was malfunctioned and he literally directly hit that person who was actually treating that robot. So that is going to happen slowly and gradually. We are innovating things. Okay, they have taken the human market, the AI has, but what will happen in the end? It is going to be way too dangerous at the end. Strategic planning and positioning. And again, innovation. When we are going to have an updated knowledge, we are going to keen about like learning new stuff in the organization in the corporate sector for the specific industry. We are going to build new product. We are going to be innovative. And that is going to be USP for your organization for a longer period. Then it is strategic planning and positioning. Knowledge supports strategic planning, helping the organizations anticipating the market trends, that is whatever happening in it, competitor moves, and emerging opportunities. Now, what is competitor moves in relation to strategic planning and positioning? Whenever we take and make a decision for a further project to take on in the organization or to have a board meeting with the board of directors, we have to see that what our rival companies, our competitors are doing. Only then we can make a good strategic planning and strategic move. Informed strategic decisions enable organizations to position themselves effectively, creating competitive advantage through a well-defined market presence. Operational efficiency, efficient utilization of the knowledge enhances operational process, streamlined workflows, optimized resource allocation, and the elimination of the inefficiencies contribute to cost savings and improved productivity, giving an organization a competitive edge, that is, to be excelling in the market. With less cost, we can produce lots of things. This is called the competitive edge for that specific organization. How they cater things. Like in economics, the phenomena says when there are scarce resources and you have a limited needs and unlimited wants. It's like that. Customer understanding and satisfaction. Deep customer insights derived from the knowledge contribute to tailoring the products and services to meet the customer needs. Organizations that understand their consumers better can create unique value propositions, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, which are the key elements of the competitive advantage, like the Louis Vuitton. People, why these big brands are so big? They are for the poor people because they have the urge to buy those things. They work a lot, they work hard. Why? Because they want to buy those things. There is an urge to in the mind that after a certain age and after saving certain amount, I'm gonna buy a specific shoe or bag from that specific brand. The people who are already rich, they're from the elite class, they don't wear the logos of those brands. They do buy from them because of the quality standards, but they don't wear those logos brands. Like LV have a certain brand, Michael Kors has a certain logo, and in the same way, Polo, and so on. Talent management and employee productivity. Knowledge about employee skills, capabilities, experiences enables effective talent management. Now, this point is from your suggested evidence, I remember. It is not in the indicative content. Organizations that invest in developing and utilizing employee knowledge create a skilled and motivated workforce, positively impacting productivity and competitiveness. Again, when we are going to cater the workforce, the employees on their talent that they are having, they're possessing with themselves, they're going to cater, they're going to be excel in their specific field. That is why UK they offer talent management visa. Risk management. Knowledge plays a crucial role in identifying and mitigating risk. Organizations that are well informed about the potential challenges and uncertainties can proactively manage the risk. That is beforehand, before the thing's going to happen worse, you can take the action. Brand reputation and trust. That is the goodwill. Consistently delivering accurate and reliable information build trust with the stakeholders. A positive brand reputation based on the reliable knowledge sharing and transparent communication contributes to customer trust and can serve as a competitive differentiator. Legal and regulatory compliance, that is, whatever actions you're taking in the organization's decisions, they should be related to and made with the help of the legal and regulatory compliance legal authorities. In the end, there must not be any disruption or misunderstanding between the government or the legal authorities with your organization. In conclusion, the value of knowledge and information in gaining a competitive advantage is multifaceted. It extends beyond decision making to encompass innovation, customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and strategic positioning. Organizations that recognize and leverage the strategic value of knowledge are better to equipped to thrive in a competitive business landscape. Obviously, when you have a business mindset, you have entered the corporate sector industry, you have to take everything into the consideration beforehand. That these things or these stuff could happen with me, with my organization, how I'm going to cope up with it. An exemplary illustration, this is an example of the value of the knowledge and information contributing to competitive advantage is seen in the practices of Amazon. Amazon's success in the highly competitive e-commerce industry is underpinned by its robust use of data and knowledge. Then, the company meticulously collects and analyzes customer data to understand preferences and buying behaviors, allowing for the personalized recommendations and a seamless shopping experience. That is, we all do from the Amazon, we do from the Shein, and different apps. Whatever your preference is, you even see the ads according to them. Same goes for the YouTube, for the Facebook, for the Instagram as well. Snapchat too. Amazon's emphasis on the data-driven decision-making extends to supply chain optimization, enabling the efficient inventory management and timely deliveries. Additionally, Amazon Web Services, AWS, major player in the cloud computing, exemplifies how knowledge and innovation can lead to diversification and market leadership. Now, diversification is I am selling soap, and at the same time, I have a food business as well. Your one organization is excelled into various fields. That is what diversification is. By leveraging insights derived from the vast amounts of data, Amazon continuously adapts its strategies, enhances operational efficiencies, and stays ahead of the competitors. That is, they don't stick to one policy or one strategy or one move. They change by the time. After every 6 months, it could be after every 6 weeks, even, or maybe after every project. That's it.